Hmm.
Okay, Mr. Shadows,
Good morning, Your Honor. Chuck Shackles here on behalf of Daniel
can you
Platt.
hear me?
Yes, I can, Your Honor. Can you hear
I
me?
can't hear you.
Give me just a second. Chip, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear
See
you.
if my volume.
Is that any better?
There he is.
Good morning, Your Honor.
There you go.
All right, now,
Okay.
uh, Shadows, I take it you're the plaintiff's attorney in the personal injury action?
Yes, Your Honor, I am. Mr. Platt is also here, and Chip Havman is here as well. Gerald Havman. He is
Oh,
the.
Mr. Havman has the same address as you. Is he in your firm?
No, Your Honor. We office share here at the same building. That's the truly professional building in San Antonio. There's probably about 12 or 18 different lawyers and law firms here.
Okay, Mr. Platt, you live in San Antonio
Yes, Your Honor.
and you were injured in an automobile accident in which this Tara Marie Shiflett was the opposing driver?
That is correct.
And that wreck happened when?
February 2nd, 2023.
Okay, we do not have a death certificate, but we've got a verification of death. Montgomery County, Texas. Know that name of her brother, Troy Shiflett. I know that name. I don't know how I know it, but I've heard it before. Did you know the decedent before y'all were involved in an automobile accident?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, and where did the wreck occur?
In Sa-
Intersection of Ralph Fair Road and I don't remember the cross street.
I mean, was it in Bexar County?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, good deal. All right, Mr. Habman, you are an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Texas?
Yes, Your Honor, I am.
Okay, I'll waive the oath for you as an officer of the court. Mr. Platt, if you'll raise your right hand. You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give in this call should be the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir. I do.
Okay, go right ahead, Mr. Shadows.
Thank you. Would you please state your name for the record? Mr.
Daniel
Platt?
Butler. Sorry.
Thank you, sir. And I believe Your Honor had covered it, but Mr. Platt, you were injured in a motor vehicle accident on February 2nd, 2013. Is that correct?
23, yes.
23. I apologize. As a result of that accident, we have filed a lawsuit against Tara Marie Shiflett. Is that correct, sir?
That is correct.
And are you have you come to the knowledge that Ms. Shiflett unfortunately passed away unrelated to the accident on May 27th of 2023?
Yes.
You have seen the verification of death that we have obtained from the Texas Department of State Health Services,
Yes.
and we have also filed that document with the court. Is that correct?
Correct.
Court takes notice.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Platt, you and I have done extensive research into Ms. Shiflett's background, and is it correct to say that according to the information we have found, Ms. Shiflett was living in Jefferson County at the time of her death?
Yes.
And we have also been unable to locate any probate proceedings that were ever initiated on Ms. Platt's behalf. Is that correct? I'm sorry, Ms. Shiflett's behalf. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Your Honor, we're respectfully requesting that the court permit Mr. Havman to be the temporary administrator solely to receive citation in this lawsuit. As the court is aware, since Ms. Shiflett passed away before she could be served with citation, there is no legal person or entity available to receive citation.
Okay. Mr. Platt, has
Yes.
your lawyer provided you with a document called a proof of death and other fact?
Yes.
And do you read that document?
I've read it. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and to your knowledge, everything contained in that document is true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Do you have any further questions of Mr. Haveman?
No, Your Honor, I do not.
Okay, so what you're going to do is, Mr. Platt, you're going to execute that proof of death and other facts before a notary public, and your lawyer will e-file that with the county clerk's office here in Jefferson County. Mr. Haveman, you'll sign your oath, and y'all will return that to the clerk. Once you do that, I will sign the order granting letters of temporary administration. Let me look at your order real quick and make sure it's limited enough.
Yes, sir.
I'm probably gonna, I can't imagine much damage that the insurance company or the other party would. I'm gonna do $1,000 bond and allow it to be a personal surety bond.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, so y'all get that information, that proof and that oath back to me, and we'll get her signed, okay?
Excellent. Your Honor, thank you so much, and we really appreciate the court also having the Zoom hearing and not making us go out there.
Mr. Platt, I noticed you live on Bull Verde Drive, so how close are you to Bull Verde?
I'm closer towards San Antonio than Boverde, Your Honor.
Gotcha. Well, I'm looking to get some new deer feeders. Normally, Bull Verde Feed and Seed has the best prices on all seasons feeders in the state. So
That's what I've heard.
I got to go out there and check it out. Of course, my place is in Mason, so it's a little drive.
Well,
All right. Well, y'all have a great week. If there's anything you need, Mr. Shadows, please give my court a call.
I will. Thank you, Your Honor.